Hello everyone and welcome to our lesson. So today let's do a quick quiz on page 81, okay? Revision. Since we have learned about this topic, unit 6, the old house. So there will be quiz time which we are going to do right now. I'm sure we have done this on our exercise book. So today we just have our verbal quiz, okay? You don't have to write anything, but you need to focus on this quiz, verbal, okay? Only verbal. So on page 81, there are a few questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and lastly we have until question 8. Okay, there are 8 questions, and let's do some quiz to check whether you understand this topic or not. Okay, let's start with the first question. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, by the way, for each question you will have about 10 seconds. Okay, only 10 seconds before you will be told with the correct answer. Okay, you have 10 seconds, but I will help you. Okay, question 1. What is this? Okay, look at the picture. What is this? Number 1, A hall, B a dining room, or C a cellar. In order you to answer this, of course you need to refer to this page on page 70. Okay, the home. Over here there are 8 places or words that we have learned previously. So which one is the correct answer? Is it hall, dining room, or cellar? I think you know the answer already. So starting now, please choose one answer in your mind. Which one is your answer starting now? Alright, time's up. So if you answer A hall, you got the wrong answer. If you choose C a cellar, you also have the wrong answer. But if you answer in your mind B a dining room, yes, you are correct. Okay, you need to count how many corrects, okay, and then you tell me on your WhatsApp. Okay, you text me the total correct answer that you got from this quiz. Okay, so the first one, the answer is A. So if you answer correctly, so you have one correct answer. Question 2. They 3 bedrooms. Okay, bedrooms, the place where you sleep. Okay, bedrooms. But the blank over here, you have 2 answers. A, there is 3 bedrooms, or B, there are 3 bedrooms. So you have 10 seconds now, starting now. Time's up. So, what's your answer? Okay, you have your own answer in your mind, but if you answer A, there is, then your answer is wrong. Okay, because the correct answer is B, R. We use R for a lot of things that are plural. Okay, for example, 3 bedrooms. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, 3 bedrooms. Of course, we are going to use R. Okay, I hope you got the wrong. Oh no, I hope you got the correct answer. So if your number 1 and number 2 are correct, so you have 2 correct answers already, 2 scores. Okay, 2 points. Next one, question 3. Where is the lizard in the song? Where? So for this one, you need to go back to our song. It was on page. Where's the lizard? But you have 10 seconds only, starting from now. Time's up. So, what's your answer? Where is the lizard in the song? Is it A, in the bathroom? Or is it B, in the bedroom? Or is it C, in the kitchen? So which one is your answer? In order us to get the correct answer, we need to go back to the lyric of the song. It was on page 72, singing for pleasure. And the answer is right here. There's a lizard in my bedroom. Bedroom is the answer. So what's your answer just now? If you answer bedrooms, so your answer is correct. So you will have 3 points if you correct from number 1 until number 3. So 3 points you have. But if you answer A or C, then I'm sorry, you got the wrong answer. So you don't have any point for this question. Okay, next one. Question 4. How many cats, okay, the cats over here, are there in the bag? So this one, look carefully at these cute cats. How many of them? I give you 10 seconds to answer. Is it A, B, or C? Which one is your answer in your mind? Okay, starting now. Time's up. So what's your answer? It's an easy question. So let's have a look. How many cats? Berapa ekor kucing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats in the bag. So if you answer C, then you are correct. But if you answer A or B, then wrong answers. So how many points do you have right now? How many points? You text me, okay? Mr. Yanson, I have 8 points, okay? 8 over 8. All correct. Hopefully. So, question number 5. Who isn't scared of the house? Okay. Who isn't scared of the house? Siapa yang tidak takut? Is it A, B, or C? Do you still remember the story? It was on page 74. 74. Who isn't scared of the house? That went into the house to check whether there's a ghost or not. Okay, so you have 10 seconds starting now. Time's up. So what's your answer for number 5? Who isn't scared of the house? If you answer A or C, then you got the wrong answer. Okay, these two are wrong. If you don't believe me, you need to check out the story. But if you answer B, which is Misty, then you got the correct answer. So you have another point. Next one. Number 6. Oh. How many rats are there in the house? How many rats? Over here. Not here. You need to go back to the previous pages. Right here. Also on page 74. The rats. Not the spider. Not the cat. The rats. So you have 10 seconds to count how many rats in that house, starting now. Time's up. So what's your answer? Is it A, 7 rats, or B, there are 8 rats, or C, there are 9 rats? So we have to look back at this page. How many rats are there? Let me use bright pen. There's 1, 2 rats, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are how many rats? There are 9 rats. Let me change back to black. C is the answer. So is your answer is correct? If your answer is correct, congratulations. So you have another point for number 6. So next question. Number 7. Question number 7. This one you need to listen carefully. Circle, or you keep your answer in your mind. Circle the words. Circle the word with the different sound. Different sound. Bunyi yang berlainan. Okay. For example, number 1, A, hat. B, help. Okay. The letter H. Hat, help, or C, shoe. Which one has the different sound, bunyi yang lain? So you have 10 seconds starting now. Time's up. So if you answer A or B, I'm sorry, your answers are incorrect. The answer, or the correct answer for this question 7 is C. Okay, because the letter H has different sound, bunyi dia lain. For example, this one, hat. help, help. So this has the same sound, but we want to find the word with the different sound. Shoe, okay, different. So if you got the correct answer C, you have another 1 point. Next, move on to the last question. Where do you find coral? This one, the coral on this picture, okay? There are 3 answers. Is it A, in the ocean? Or is it B, in the mountains? Or C, in the jungle? So where can you find the coral? For this one, I'm sure we have learned about the habitats. Okay, this one. Where can you find the corals? Polar region, ocean, jungle, desert, mountains. So you have 10 seconds to answer this question in your mind, starting now. Time's up. So what's your answer? The answer for question 8, where do you find coral? Di mana? The answer is, if you answer C or B, in the mountain and jungle, those answers are wrong. The correct one is in the ocean. You can find coral in the ocean. So we have completed all 8 questions on the quiz. This time there are 8 questions for this quiz. So I hope you got all correct. So if you do, or if you don't worry, you just need to text me or WhatsApp me what's your score over 8 questions, okay? So if you got 8 correct questions, for example this one, all are correct, so you just text me, Mr. Yanson, I've got all 8 correct, okay? So if you got 7 or 5 or 3 or 1, it's okay, you just text me so that I know that you have watched this video about the quiz today, okay? And that's all. I hope you are having fun about this quiz, and take care. See you on the next lesson, okay? Goodbye.